Today, we will tackle about gene therapy. So what is gene therapy? Gene therapy is an experimental technique that uses genes to prevent diseases and also treat them. In the near future, this technique may allow doctors to treat a disorder by inserting a gene into a patient's cell. It's rewriting a person's DNA, and instead of using surgeries or drugs, they will use gene therapy or the inserted gene to treat the person's illness or disease. Researchers are testing several approaches to gene therapy. Although gene therapy is a promising treatment option for a number of diseases, the technique still remains risky and is still under study up to this day to make sure that it will be very safe and effective. Gene therapy is currently being tested only for diseases that have no other cures or is even tested in experimental animals. To know more about gene therapy, let us all watch this.
Gene therapy has been studied as a potential treatment for genetic disease since the 1980s. The goal of gene therapy is to help correct the genetic disease by providing a functioning copy of the gene to make up for the genetic defect. In the laboratory, a functioning copy of the gene is packaged into a lentiviral vector. This is a modified virus that acts as a transport vehicle for the functioning gene. The lentiviral vector delivers the functioning copy of the gene into stem cells taken from the patient. The gene is then inserted into the DNA of these cells. In recent years, scientists have made improvements in these vectors and continue to study gene therapy as a treatment for many different diseases, including cancers, blood diseases, central nervous system disorders, and immune system diseases. More than 1,800 clinical trials have been conducted using different types of gene therapy in various diseases.
In conclusion, gene therapy includes replacing a mutated gene that causes disease with a healthy copy of a gene. Number 2, inactivating or knocking out a mutated gene that is functioning improperly. And for the third, introducing a new gene into the body to help fight a disease, and many more.